Okay, today's video is gonna be a little different, but we're gonna have a lot of fun and do some golf too, all right? I do not need all my clubs today. So I don't need these, we'll leave these out. Let's bring, we don't need that. 8 and 9 iron out. Don't need the 5 and 6. We're good to go. Let's rock. Okay, so I've been invited to this cool place in downtown LA called the Metropolis. And it's a cool high-rise residence, 3 towers. They got an awesome boutique hotel. They've got 70,000 square feet of residential space. And I'm going there. Most importantly, they have a cool putting green, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna do some public transportation downtown. Here comes my bus.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Hello. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down,
We're going up to the golf course. Do you want to be in this or not? She doesn't want to be in this. My tour guide doesn't want to be in this. We're at the Metropolis. Awesome new facility, downtown LA, Los Angeles. Let's go.
it's driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello.
Okay, we're on the 5th floor at the Metropolis, and they have this outdoor golf chipping slash putting area. I mean, right in the heart of downtown. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so the sort of putting green, chipping area, nice practice. I mean, forget about the $1 million, condo you live in. You pick the right residence, you can probably chip out of your window right down to this thing. I don't think they'd allow that. Also, this is the perfect opportunity to start practicing using the bounce angle of your club, okay? So I'm gonna put this on the synthetic green and chip with it with my lob wedge and just try to hit the bounce first. You're not gonna dig into this green, so just hit the bounce first, hit a nice little chip shot. There you go, I'm just hitting the bounce first, all right? This type of green, the synthetics, perfect for working on this type of stuff, all right? So anyways, this Metropolis place is pretty awesome. We're gonna go see if we can't break into a few more spots and check it out. Let's go. So the Metropolis, downtown LA, I'll leave a link below. I mean, this place is spectacular. So, hope you liked the little video. A little different, but just a fun, awesome spot if you're looking for a place, for sure. And if you're a golfer, you can definitely cruise around LA any way you want. Anyways, I'm getting my swim on. See you later.